Okay, here's your present. I'm on Grandpa.
It's money.
Money?
And
Those are cookies. Those are Girl Scout cookies.
yeah, can I eat one?
Sure. And what's that?
Mr. M&M.
Cool.
Let me see what's inside.
M&Ms are inside, I'm pretty sure.
This is a new Mr. M&M, but it's...
Is there anything else?
Wait. Yeah, there's Mickey Mouse jelly beans.
Oh.
And there's another Mr. M&M.
What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma
And Grandpa.
and Grandpa, for this Valentine's thingy
Present.
present.